In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF in Adobe Acrobat using Adobe to create digital products. The ability to design a fillable PDF can be a game changer, whether you're creating forms for work, school, or any project that requires interactivity. This tutorial will walk you through each step of the process, making it easy and straightforward. First, we need to start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once that's open, you'll want to load the document you wish to transform into a fillable form. This is crucial because you need to have your document ready and accessible from the start. Once your document is loaded up in Adobe Acrobat Pro, let's take a look at the top area of the interface. Direct your attention to the global toolbar and find the All Tools tab there. Click on it and then select Prepare a Form. This feature is incredibly handy because it activates Adobe's form recognition technology to help us out. What Adobe does now is pretty impressive. It will scan your document and automatically identify areas that are likely candidates for form fields. Then it will add these fields for you. This process makes it much easier, as Adobe does a chunk of the foundational work on your behalf. However, you might find that Adobe's automatic placement doesn't capture everything you need. That's where your creative input comes in. Use the toolbar options strategically to add any additional text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down lists, or even signature fields that you think are necessary for your form. This customization allows you to create a final product that perfectly fits your specific requirements. Once you're happy with the fields you've included, you'll want to ensure they're placed just right. You can easily drag and drop these form fields, positioning them with precision on your document to your liking. This step is key in making sure the form looks organized and professional. Next, take a moment to double click on a field. Doing so will give you access to its properties. Within this panel, you can set important elements like labels, formatting, and validation rules. These properties ensure that the information collected is in the format you need, providing consistency and reducing the likelihood of errors. Now it's time for a final check. Click Preview to see how your form appears when filled out. This allows you to view it as an end user would, ensuring everything functions smoothly. Once satisfied with the layout and functionality, don't forget to save your fillable PDF. Taking this moment ensures that all your hard work isn't lost. And there you have it, a clean, functional, fillable PDF created efficiently using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find it helpful for your digital product creation.